Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Abdominal myomectomy. Measures to control blood loss during myomectomy. Pre-operative treatment with GnRH analog reduces the vascularity of the tumor and thereby reduces operative blood loss. Use of vasoconstrictive agents commonly used is vasopressin. 20 units of vasopressin diluted in 20 ml of normal saline is injected into the myometrium overlying the myoma. Use of Victor Bonney specially designed clamp to reduce uterine artery blood flow. This clamp is placed around the uterine vessels and the round ligament. Use of tourniquets to occlude the uterine vessels and also the ovarian vessels at the infundibulopelvic ligament. A soft plastic tube, less traumatic, is passed through a small hole, one on either side, made in an avascular part of the broad ligament at the level of the uterine isthmus. This tourniquet is tightened just before making the incision for myomectomy. Controlled hypotensive anesthesia using sodium nitroprusside to reduce venous tone and a moderate degree of Trendelenburg position to enhance venous drainage, reduce operative blood loss. Actual steps. Uterine incision. A single incision, linear or elliptical, in the midline on the anterior wall of the uterus is performed. Lateral fibroids are removed by tunneling without any additional scar on the uterine surface. Fibroid from the cavity or posterior wall can be removed by transcavity approach. This avoids scars on the posterior wall and adhesion formation. Incision is deepened through myometrium and the pseudo-capsule till the myoma is reached. The myoma is grasped with a single-toothed valsellum and dissection is continued in a plane between the myoma and the capsule to minimize blood loss. Myoma is enucleated intracapsular from its bed by sharp scissors and blunt knife-handled dissection. The myoma bed deep space is obliterated by interrupted mattress or figure of 8 sutures. Sometimes layers of sutures tie stitch may be required to approximate the myometrium. Bonney's hood operation is done to remove a large fundal myoma. A low transverse incision is made on the myoma over the anterior uterine surface. After enucleation of the myoma, the capsule is trimmed and is seen over the anterior uterine wall. This minimizes adhesion formation. The serous cord of the uterus is approximated with a thin absorbable suture. To prevent adhesion over the incision site, Interseed, that is oxidized cellulose or Gore-Tex surgical membrane, can be used. Thank you all. Have a nice day.